Третий класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание в магазине игрушек, часть первая, страница 58, 59, 60, 61. English, Starlight 3. At the toy shop. Homework. Part number 1. Page number 58, 59, 60, 61. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Grammarland. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 58. 58. These, those. Remember, these, singular. These, plural. That, singular. Those, plural. These presents are for Tom. We use these to talk about things that are near us. These are my teddy bears. Мы употребляем these, когда говорим о предметах, которые недалеко от нас. We use those to talk about things that are far away from us. Мы употребляем those, когда говорим о предметах, которые далеко от нас. Those cameras are nice. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Match the sentences to the pictures. Соотнесите предложения с картинками. This is a car. That is a train. These are presents. These are cameras. These are planes. Those are bikes. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 59. 59. Exercise number 2. Write the sentences. Напиши предложение. The answer. This is my teddy bear. This is my camera. Those are my balls. That is my pen. These are my rulers. This is my book. Let's play. These cameras are red. Those cameras are orange. The answer. These teddy bears are purple. Those teddy bears are yellow. These bikes are orange. Those bikes are purple. These cars are yellow. Those cars are blue. This robot is red. That robot is green. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Complete the sentences. Use these, that, or those. Закончите предложение. Используйте this, these, that или those. The answer. These are roller skates. That is a car. These are bikes. Those are cameras. This is a teddy bear. That is the rain. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 60. 60. Grammarland. Plural numbers. 1 fox, 2 foxes. 1 bus, 2 buses. 1 dress, 2 dresses. 1 watch, 2 watches. 1 ferry, 2 ferries. 1 lorry, 2 lorries. Exercise number 1. Put the words in plural. Поставьте слова во множественное число. The answer. Boy, boys. Glass, glasses. Fox, foxes. Box, boxes. Apple, apples. Bus, buses. Vase, vases. Baby, babies. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 61. 61. Exercise number 2. Put the words in plural. Посмотри и напиши. The answer. Rings, boxes, cameras, buses, watches, glasses, kites, kangaroos. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Listen and choose A or B. Послушайте и выберите A или B. Helicopter. Boxes. Lorries. Bus. Glasses. Fox. Let's play. Red lorries. The answer. Blue lorries. Red buses. Purple helicopters. White glasses. Orange watches. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Beautiful day, so warm in the sun, flying and dancing my so much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Clouds say goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Clouds say goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Beautiful day, so warm in the sun, flying and dancing my so much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Clouds say goodbye, please don't cry. Give me a smile, look at my wings. Clouds say goodbye,